Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is section 2.6 of Miss Quinn's Geometry, and today we're going to talk about some definitions and we're going to talk about polygons. The definition of a polygon is the union of segments in the same plane where the segments intersect each other at just one point, and those intersections are called vertices. So let's talk about the names of some polygons. Hopefully you're familiar with a triangle, a square, a quadrilateral, a pentagon, a hexagon. Hopefully those names start ringing a bell. Those are the types of polygons we have. Polygonal regions are the areas inside. For example, if I have a beautiful pentagon right here, you can see that the area inside it is filled in. That's a polygonal region. A pentagon where I don't fill in the area would look something horrible like that. The number of sides. Let's go ahead and write this down. If you have 3 sides, it's a triangle. 4 sides, quadrilateral. We have several quadrilaterals. 5 sides, pentagon. I'll let you go ahead and fill that in. When you're done, go ahead and press play again. And let's talk about this polygon right here. What kind of polygon is it? Hopefully you will agree with me that it's a pentagon. It has 5 sides. So let's start with its name. We're going to start up here at the top and work our way clockwise. And then we will name it video. Well, we'll start at the top and go clockwise. The names of my sides are just the names of my side segments. VI, ID, DE, and, or is that DE, EO, and OV. Now, adjacent sides are sides that are connected to each other. Notice that VI and ID are connected to each other. They share a vertice. And you can see I've already, since I went around the circle, put them in pairs of adjacent sides. VI is adjacent to ID. That would be a pair of adjacent sides. ID is paired with DE because they share those vertices. Vertices in particular are the points where they connect, as mentioned earlier. V, I, D, E, and O. Consecutive vertices are just like adjacent sides. They're the ones that are next to each other. V and I are next to each other. I and D are next to each other. You get the idea. All right, let's talk about triangle types. If I see these 2 lines right here, that means that those 2 segments are equal. So if I have 2 segments that are equal, this is called an isosceles triangle. You know what? I don't know how to spell isosceles. Oh yeah, I do. I'm good. I'm good. Isosceles. If all 3 sides are equal, that is an equilateral triangle. And finally, if all 3 sides are different, that is called scalene. Conjectures. Our definition for conjectures are educated guesses or opinions. All right. What I want for you to do for me tomorrow is the following. Number 1, 2, and 3. Number 1, give me a set with intersections and unions. And number 2 and 3, draw me some shapes. And I will see you tomorrow.